What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the Spartan channel. As you can see, I have my 3220 revolver. Looking better than it did before from the last time y'all seen it, with the pits and everything that was on there. Did a lot more to it. Even to the revolver. The cylinder. And the grips. Still only have one bullet. 3220, hard to come by. If anybody have any and get them, please leave a comment and let me know where to get them from. I even tried, I think it's called cheap ammo. I forget what it's called. They didn't have any. But it's looking better than it was before. From the other video. Sorry about the lighting. Quick, hard trigger pull. But when you cock it back, it makes it real easy. Pour the hammer back. See the trigger pull right there? That's where it's at right there. See how far you gotta go to get there? So the best way is like that. Had a hammer back and not really much to talk about the 3220. Haven't fired it in a minute till I got down to this bullet. Then I'm down to here, so I won't fire for a minute. But just a quick video to show you the 3220, how it's doing and what it looks like from before to now. And that has always been a pleasure. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.